Hi everyone, I'm Rachel, and in today's tutorial, I'll teach you how to add wrinkles to a graceful elderly's face using the Color Therapy app. First, you'll want to shade the entire face as you would normally, then add the wrinkles last. See my other tutorials on how to shade a face. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Color Therapy YouTube channel so you don't miss any new tutorial videos. So right now, our subject looks like a young lady, but now we're going to transform her into an older, graceful elderly. It only takes a few lines and using the smear tool. Let's start off by opening up the color palette. Select the Skin Shades palette, set it to solid, and then on the second row, choose the second one from the right. Select the airbrush tool, set the size to 1% and the opacity to 40. Let's start off by drawing in the forehead lines. So they're going to be right above the eyebrows, and they're going to kind of come down in the middle where the middle of the face is, and then go up on either side of the eyebrows. And then you can just draw a few above that, and they can be kind of wobbly too. Now go to the smear tool, set the intensity at 85 and the size to 25. Make sure coloring inside the lines mode is set to on, and now just blend in those forehead lines. Now lower the opacity to 20%, and with the same color, draw in some smile lines coming from the bottom of the nose down to the corner of the lips. And then you'll also draw some little lines under the chin too. Then zoom into the nose and just kind of outline the shape of the nose and just bring a few wrinkles into the side of the nose. Use the smear tool again now just to sort of blend those lines into the face. And then around the eyes, just kind of trace the lines that are already there. And you want to add in wrinkles to the outside corners of the eyes, just coming down into the cheeks. And also a wrinkle coming from the top of the eyelid downward. Now draw a furrow right in the middle of the brow, and you can make it a little bit thick, and then just go ahead and blend in those wrinkles again. Then raise the tool to about 20%, and with the same color, just make the eyes a bit darker all the way around them. So underneath the eyes and right above the eyes will be a little bit darker. And then deepen that shadow where you have the smile lines with the same settings, as well as on the furrow of the brow or anywhere else you feel is necessary, and continue blending. You also want to add a few lines on the cheek too, just a few little wrinkle lines. So it's really up to you how wrinkly you want them to look, how old you want them to look. And then for your fine detail lines around the lips, select the pencil tool now, set the opacity to 30 and the size to 1, and just draw these little fine lines above the lips, facing towards the lips, kind of making a pucker shape. And then you can add a few more of those detail lines elsewhere in the face as well. And that's it. You can add a little bit of eyeshadow and lipstick if desired for a more elegant look. Thanks for watching our tutorial. You can get the Color Therapy app for free on the App Store.